Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are practicing GK questions for the SSC CGL examination 2025. This is the second class and I'm going to cover 59 questions. So please watch the complete video and try to answer of these questions. I can say these questions are really be helpful for your revision. If you like this session, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Okay, let's start the video. Question number 1. In which year was the Manipur Dance Academy established? Option number A is the right answer, 1954. Question number 2. Dance and Music Festival is held in which Indian state? Option number B is the right answer, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 3. In which place did Mahatma Gandhi launch his first Satyagraha in India in 1917? In which place did Mahatma Gandhi launch his first Satyagraha in India in 1917? Option number C will be the right answer, Champaran. Question number 4. What type of plant is Hubbardia hepatoneuron? What type of plant is Hubbardia hepatoneuron? Sorry for the pronunciation. And the right answer will be option number C, a grass. Question number 5. The concept of Garibi Hatao, remove poverty, that means, was introduced during which 5-year plan? Here option number D is the right answer, 5th 5-year plan, 1974 to 1979. 6. Which article of the Indian Constitution directs the state to ensure equal pay for equal work for both men and women? Which article of the Indian Constitution directs the state to ensure equal pay for equal work for both men and women? Option number A is the right answer. Actually 39, subclause D is the right answer. Question number 7. Who defeated Humayun in the Battle of Chausha 1539 and Kannauj 1540? Option number C will be the right answer, Sher Shah Suri. Question number 8. Which of the following is the most important factor affecting the climate of a place? Option number B is the right answer, latitude. Question number 9. How did Mendeleev arrange elements in his periodic table? Option number A is the right answer, by increasing atomic mass. Question number 10. What is the formula for net national product, NNP? Here option number C is the right answer, GNP minus depreciation. Question number 11. Which zone of Indian Railways has the longest route network? Option number D is the right answer, Northern Railway. Question number 12. Who among the following is a renowned Mridangam player? Important question. Option number B is the right answer, Palghat T.S. Mani Iyer. Question number 13. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in which year? Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in which year? Option number A is the right answer, 1469. 14. Question number. Who is the current Controller General of Accounts, CGA, of India as of March 2023? Option number B is the right answer, Sri S.S. Dubey. Question number 15. Which of the following is considered a non-perishable food item? Option number C is the right answer, rice. 16. Under whose governance was the Bengal Sati Regulation Act of 1829 implemented? Under whose governance was the Bengal Sati Regulation Act of 1829 implemented? Option number D will be the right answer, Lord William Bentinck. Question number 17. In which year was the first Asian Kabaddi Championship held? In which year was the first Asian Kabaddi Championship held? Option number A is the right answer, 1980. Question number 18. The decomposition of gaseous ammonia on a hot platinum surface follows which order of reaction? Option number A is the right answer, zero order. 19. In which year was the inaugural FIH Men's Hockey World Cup held? Very important question. And the answer is option number B is the correct answer, 1971. 20. Which of the following words was not originally in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Not originally. Remember it. Originally in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Here option number B will be the right answer, socialist. Actually, socialist and socialist, secular and integrity, these three words are added. Actually, socialist, secular and integrity was added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Alright, socialist, secular and integrity was added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. It was not originally in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Question number 21. Which dynasty was responsible for the construction of famous monuments in Mahabalipuram? Option number C is the right answer, Pallava dynasty. 22. How many high courts are there in India as of 2024? Option number B is the right answer, 25. 23. Harela is a festival of greenery, peace, prosperity and environmental conservation, primarily celebrated in which of the following states? Option number D is the right answer, Uttarakhand. Question number 24. The Medaram Jatara festival, considered one of the largest tribal festival in the world, is celebrated in which Indian state? Option number D is the right answer, Telangana. 25. Which species is known as the black-lipped pearl oyster, found in the Indo-Pacific within tropical coral reefs? Option number A is the right answer, Pinactada margaritifera. 26. In which year did India adopt GVA as a key measure of economic performance? Option number C is the right answer, 2015. 27. Which of the following social reformer of 19th century India was the author of Stree Purush Tulona? Option number C is the right answer, Tarabai Shinde. 28. Ustad Vilayat Ali Khan was a maestro of which Indian classical musical instrument? Ustad Vilayat Khan. Option number B is the right answer, sitar. 29. When was the midday meal scheme officially launched in India? Option number B is the right answer, 1995. 30. Who wrote Why I Am an Atheist? Option number A, Bhagat Singh. 31. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, which gave constitutional status to Panchayati Raj, was enacted in which year? Option number D is the right answer, 1992. 32. Pandit Ravi Shankar was a maestro of which musical instrument? Easy question. And the answer is option number D, sitar. 33. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Option number B is the right answer, K. 34. Under which article can the president remove a Supreme Court judge? Option number A is the right answer, article 124 plus 4. 35. In which year was the International Olympic Committee IOC formed? Very, very important. And the option number A is the right answer, 1894. 36. Which of the following elements is a halogen? Option number C is the right answer, chlorine. Actually, there are 6 halogen elements in the periodic table, and these are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, and tennessine. Okay. Question number 37. The Indus Water Treaty. The Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan in which year? Option number C is the right answer, 1960. 38. Which ruler issued the famous Prayak Prashasti Allahabad pillar inscription? Which ruler issued the famous Prayak Prashasti Allahabad pillar inscription? Option number B is the right answer, Samudragupta. 39. Which of the following has the highest salinity? Option number A is the right answer, Dead Sea. 40. The concept of judicial review in India is borrowed from which country? Option number B is the right answer, United States. 41. Mohiniyattam dance style is characterized by which of the following? Mohiniyattam dance style is characterized by which of the following? And Mohiniyattam is a classical dance of Kerala. And option number B is the right answer, Lascia, graceful and feminine movements. That means 42. Who was the wife of Rudrasena II who played an important role in the Vakataka dynasty? First of all, Rudrasena belonged to Vakataka dynasty, and the wife of Rudrasena II is option number D, Prabhavati Gupta. 43. Madhuri Barthwal, a folk singer and Padma Shri 2022 awardee, belongs to which of the following states of India? Option number B is the right answer, Uttarakhand. 44. Which of the following elements is a metalloid? Option number C is the right answer, silicon. 44. Question number 45. The idea of the concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been taken from which country? Option number A is the right answer, Australia. 46. Which of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh? Option number B is the right answer, mining activities. 47. Which of the following river crosses the Tropic of Cancer twice? B, Mahi is the right answer. 48. In which Indian state is the National Sports University located? Manipur is the right answer, option number D. 49. What is the primary characteristics of reproduction in aves? Option number B is the right answer. They lay amniotic eggs with a hard shell. 50. Which of the following books is incorrectly paired with its author? Option number C is the right answer, The Discovery of India. Actually, The Discovery of India is authored by the Jawaharlal Nehru. 51. Who was the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize? Option number B, Marie Curie. The right answer, option number B. 52. The National Institute of Kathak Dance, also known as Kathak Kendra, is located in which Indian city? Option number A, New Delhi, is the right answer. 53. In which year was the Indian Hockey Federation IHF established? Indian Hockey Federation. Option number A is the right answer, 1925. 54. Under the Indian Hockey Federation, India won its first Olympic gold medal in hockey in which year? Option number D, 1928. 55. Solung is an important agricultural festival of which tribe? Solung is a festival of Arunachal Pradesh of okay, and by the Adi tribes. Option number B. 56. When was the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana 2.0 launched? Option number C is the right answer. 2021. 2.0. 57. In which year was the first edition of the MG Music Award held? This is given by the Nagaland state, and the option number D is the right answer. Again, 2021. 58. If a bank's asset exceed its liabilities, the difference will be recorded as option number B, net worth, equity capital. 59. And the last question, which administrative policy was followed by Balban to strengthen the Sultanate? Option number B, blood and iron policy, followed by Balban, right? Well, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like the session, please subscribe my channel for getting more classes like this. See you in the next video. Thank you.